morning, dear students. Welcome to the class of English literature. So today again we are going to study a very interesting chapter about a small child whose name is Charlie. Now children, you imagine a situation. Let's talk about the chapter later on. Before that, imagine a situation. You are sleeping in the night and all of a sudden your mother comes up and says that you have won a lottery, you have won a ticket to Disneyland, or you have won a ticket to chocolate factory. Now you must be wondering, what is this chocolate factory? Suppose there is a factory where chocolate is flowing in rivers. The boat is of chocolate, the person are of chocolate, and everything is made of chocolate. Whenever you want, you can just take out the chocolate and eat, and then you are getting gifts of chocolate. For years you have been given exciting prizes and wonderful things. How would it look like? Would you not enjoy that? That lottery ticket that you got for the chocolate factory, you will be so happy to learn about it. You will be so happy to enjoy. So first of all, I want to know, has such similar kind of incident happened before in your life? Did you win some lottery ticket, or did you win something? Had this incident taken place in your life earlier? Now let us get back to the chapter. So the chapter that we are going to study today is the fifth golden ticket. Remember it, the fifth golden ticket. So before starting the chapter, let us first come on to the main characters of the story. The main characters are Charlie Bucket, the boy that I am going to talk about right now. His age is 11 years. Charlie is a small boy of 11 years. Mr. Bucket is the father of Charlie. Mrs. Bucket is the mother of Charlie. Grandpa Joe. Now there are four old people in the house. Two maternal side, two paternal side, like two maternal grandparents and two paternal grandparents, and out of them one was Grandpa Joe. He was the grandfather of Charlie Bucket. Then this is Mr. Wonka. Mr. Wonka is the owner of chocolate factory. It's the same chocolate factory where Charlie Bucket will be going. But how? This I am going to make you understand in the chapter. So let us start from scene 1 and scene 2. Now this chocolate factory is a huge factory and a very big factory whose owner is Mr. Wonka, and he has given anonymously, he has given the opportunity to only 5 people who can come to the factory. Only 5 people. Now what offer he has released, that you buy the chocolates and in this chocolate you will get a coupon or a golden ticket, and whoever gets that golden ticket can come to the chocolate factory. So only 5 special people are allowed. Now imagine children, if this was a real thing and you were one of those 5, how would you feel that you got a golden ticket, you got a golden chance? So what happened in the story was, this Charlie, he got 2 chocolates, and in one chocolate he actually got the golden ticket. And what number was put in that? 5. That means that was the last golden ticket that Charlie got. Now as soon as Charlie realized that it is a golden ticket, he felt so happy. He ran to his home. He started shouting, "Mom, Mom, look what happened, look what happened." By that time, what was mom doing? His mother was giving some soup to the old grandparents, and she was least interested. But then he again kept shouting, see, I got this golden ticket, I got this last golden ticket. And when he said this thing, for 10 seconds, everybody was silenced. Everybody was shocked. Nobody speak up. Everybody was like, really? You got the 5th golden ticket? They were not able to believe. So this grandpa said, Charlie, you're making fun. You're pulling our legs, right? You're doing a joke with us. Then Charlie said, no grandpa, you see the ticket. This is in my hand. This is a real golden ticket that I got. Now grandpa was a little confused. He picked up the ticket and he brought it little close, because old people have an eyesight problem. So the ticket was as close as to his nose, and he checked like this, and then he said, yes, it is a golden ticket. Now when the family members came to know, Mrs. Bucket, old grandpa and the 3 old people, when they got to know, so all of them were very happy. And rather, grandpa was wearing a pajama, he was having a soup in his hand. He got so happy that he jumped out like anything. So the soup, it went on to the face of grandmother, and he started dancing and celebrating his victory. Now he was saying, cheers for Charlie, cheers for Charlie, Charlie has done an amazing job. Now the family was just enjoying. Meanwhile, what happens? Mr. Bucket enters the house. Now Mr. Bucket has entered the house and he is very tired. He has done a lot of work. Mr. Bucket is the father of Charlie. Now he says, why you are making so much of noise? What has happened? Who has won what ticket? Then the family tells the entire story quickly, and even he is very happy. Now he is saying, oh my god, this is such a wonderful opportunity for us and I am going to thoroughly enjoy it. Now everybody is happy and a lot of discussions are taking place. Now scene number 2. Finally, along with this golden ticket, there is an invitation which is also attached to the ticket. Now everybody asks Mr. Bucket to read the invitation. Now what is written in the invitation? Mr. Wonka had written that congratulations to the person who is receiving this ticket. Now there are few things that I want you to know. The first thing is, when you will enter the factory, I will take you to the tour of the factory. I will myself take you, you will come along with me and we will visit the different parts of the factory. Along with that, I'm going to give you a lot of food, exciting things I'm going to gift you. Also, when you will come back from the factory, you will not come back like this. You will have a procession of trucks. Procession of trucks means you will be asked to sit in the trucks. Like you have seen the politicians come, everybody is giving them garlands and everybody is shouting their names. Similar kind of a thing. Mr. Wonka had written that once you will leave the factory, you will not go by foot. You will be asked to sit in a truck and there will be a proper rally or procession and people will be shouting your names like you have done something so great. Also, one of the condition was that you can take only 1 or 2 members along with you so that they can control you, because these were young kids. He was only 11 years old. He can do something wrong also. So Mr. Wonka had written only 1 or 2% from the family were allowed to come in the factory. Now the last and the most important thing was that the chocolate factory was open on the first day of February, and only in that day you can get a chance to win this, to take this golden ticket and enter inside the factory. Now when they said 1st February, today is 30th January, 31st January, that means tomorrow we have to go. It was so fast, how will we arrange? One more thing which I forgot to tell you was, this golden ticket was something like it will work for years. Suppose whatever food Mr. Wonka had given from the factory, if it is lost, if it is, there is a limit for the food. You can eat the food. If you don't find any food, Mr. Wonka told clearly that you can again show this golden ticket and get a lot of food. So every time you show this golden ticket, you will be getting a lot of food. That means he has already become a prince now. He doesn't have to do anything, just show the golden ticket and get a lot of food. But the problem was that the time duration was very short. Tomorrow they had to go and today they got the invitation. So they were like, the grandfather was like, no, you do this, you do that. So Mrs. Bucket said that it is fine. Please don't be so excited and don't make Charlie nervous. The main thing is, who is going to go with Charlie? There are so many people in the house. Mr. Bucket, Mrs. Bucket, Grandpa, old people, who will go? Because only 1 or 2 people can go. So the grandfather is so excited, he says, I will go with Charlie because I can take care of him. Now Mrs. Bucket laughs at him. He says, don't you think you are old? And then she looks at Mr. Bucket, that you are the father of this child. I think you should go. So Mr. Bucket says, yes, I think even I should go, but the one person who truly deserves to go with Charlie is Grandpa. So let Grandpa go, we all can stay here at home. So finally it is decided that Grandpa will go with Charlie. Now everything is being decided. They are packing his bag, they are making him, dressed up. Automatically what happened? They checks that the media is in their home. Now of course, there were only 5 tickets and one of the ticket has been given to Charlie. So it became a news. Charlie got famous. The media people came and they started interviewing that how did you get the chocolate, how did you get the golden ticket, this and that, So this is how a simple 11-year-old boy from a middle middle class or from a normal family became the talk of the town. Now everybody, all the news channels were talking about Charlie. And finally Charlie went with Grandpa Joe to the factory. So this was the story of the fifth golden ticket that was given to Charlie by a mere coincidence. I hope the chapter is clear to you. If it is clear and you understood well, please go like and subscribe your YouTube channel. Thank you.